all go into the Northeast, which they really need it too.
Yeah, we do. I mean, Syracuse is over 3 feet below average. By the way, some of the snow coming down could fall at 1 to 2 inches an hour, which obviously causes visibility issues and issues on the road. Let's talk about Omaha here, where the metro area schools are either closed or having a virtual learning day. And that's the thing is some places don't even get snow days anymore because we can all virtually learn. You can see that tongue of heavier snow pushing from Nebraska into Iowa, 7, 8, 9 inches. And over the last 2 hours, when we started the show at 6 a.m., you did not see any of this on the radar, okay? None of it. And now it's all going to start pushing east, and that means it's going to go into places like Omaha, and we're going to start to see the snow move in. So Omaha, you're going to get in on this snow as we head more towards the afternoon hours. You see we start as some of that frozen stuff, and then we switch over to snow. Des Moines, I-80, this is going to get messy. I know Jordan was just showing you how messy it was into the western portions of the state, but in the eastern portions of the state, it probably could start to crank off too. So keep that in mind. Starts to clear out here as we head into really our Thursday. There's some lingering stuff into the morning hours, but mainly into our Thursday. Otherwise, we will see the Grand Island, just north of I-80 essentially is where we're going to see those heaviest snowfall totals. And notice here as we head into the afternoon hours today and into the evening hours, that's when we are going to see some of that heavier stuff. It will start to taper off though as we head into the evening. And for those of you who here live into Des Moines, essentially just north of the highway again is where we will see the most of it, opposed to the southeastern portion of the state. It will be a little bit drier. Just for timing's sake here, real quick, I know we got to go to Molly. Des Moines, again, it's as we head into the afternoon, things get worse into the overnight, and just a few lingering flakes as we head into our Thursday, and that's when things really, Molly, get going in the Northeast with this.
It is. Today, we're pretty good.
He goes to aliens for a lot of explanations of things. Yeah.
I think probably
an
underwater
big cave under there. Let's be real.
Some kind of cave or something that it's dropping into. You don't want to move those rocks, basically.
Okay.
Big hole. What's your theory? You have not given one yet.
Because I'm enjoying y'all's.
No, I want to hear your theory.
My theory is we're going to see a lot of snow moving into the Northeast as we head into not only our Friday, but into next week. We are going to see another system move in. Let's first deal with this one. Number one coming in with rain for a lot of us, actually, even the megalopolis. By the way, New York, we have no snow now. I think it's 314 days. Don't write that in Sharpie. Write that in an erasable pen. I'm more confident than erasable pencil than pen, but I think we're right around 314 or 15 days without snow, and the record's 332. So we're inching towards that record. The interior is where the snow is going to be for us. That's where we have all the coldest air. These are our highs. Notice above average here, Boston, New York, and D.C., I should say above freezing. And we will see our lows Saturday morning still on the warm side. Boston a little bit colder there, down into the 20s. The interior is where we are going to see the most of it coming in, and we need it. Syracuse is over 3 feet below average. We're over a foot below Burlington, Portland, Boston. Albany is close. Erie is 2 feet below practically. And look at New York, Philly, D.C. We have had 0 inches of snow so far this season. We are well behind average. Here, all right, Molly, we'll continue to check in with you. Yeah, if anything breaks there. Yeah. Welcome to Pattern. Illegal dumping isn't a new problem in New York City, but the Department of Sanitation is cracking down on a problem by publicly shaming the people who do it.
Yeah. Okay. So they recently. So if you're curious, these people, they were fined $4,000 for this violation.
Yeah. Jessica Tisch is a commissioner of the City of New York Department of Sanitation and joins us now. Okay. Let's just start off with why illegal dumping in New York is such a big problem.
You know, illegal dumping in New York City
other municipalities to adopt this idea, because I think everybody can get on board with saying illegal dumping is bad, don't do it, but now actually enforcing it and now publicly shaming people.
Yeah, I mean,
New York City Department of Sanitation, we really appreciate you coming on. I think cameras are good for this. I do feel a little bad because there's cameras everywhere now. And I mean, I probably shouldn't say this. When we were kids, behavior. I know. Yeah, you can't like toilet paper someone's house for fun anymore.
You could.
Because the Ring camera will go off and wake everyone up.
On video.
You know? We used to fork lawns too. That was something. Did you do that ever?
Yeah.